Am I pregnant?
Am I pregnant?
Can you get pregante?
Can oo get perjured? If oo have sex, will hurt top of baby's head.
Baby top of its head?
So stupid. I gotta find a cat.
I gotta find a wife.
I heard a cat. Oh. There's one stuck in a house over here.
It's getting night out.
Hold on, I'm looking for cats.
Pretty soon the monsters will be out.
You're done fishing?
Adam,
Yeah.
I'm done fishing.
Alright, sounds good. Oh, I found the cat.
That sucks. I really enjoy fishing.
Come on, kitty. You know, literally at the beginning of the last video, you said, God, I hate fishing. And then continued to fish for like 45 minutes.
Hey, when it needs done, it needs done. Am I right?
I found a cat. Can you get Wait. Can you get yours out of my room?
What do you mean? You just called it yours.
No. You know what I meant. I'm just dumb. I can't even get mine to... Oh, there we go. Sit. Fine. Just have him sit on my crafting table. I'm gonna name him...
Reginald.
Snowball. He liked it. He meowed. It's actually a girl.
There are monsters nearby.
Hold on, let me ring the bell. Did I get him? Oh, I'm good.
Oh.
Oh, Will, you're keeping me up down here, dude. What the heck are you doing?
I'm sleeping!
The lights on? What a psycho. You disgust me. That's disgusting.
Orgate muy pianto.
What does that have to do with... I'm so confused. I gotta find a cave.
I don't know what to do now that I can't fish anymore.
Find a cave.
Okay, you fish.
He caught too many enchanted rods like a psychopath.
No, I got too many good enchanted rods.
Okay, so why can't you fish anymore?
Because if you catch too many good enchanted rods, you stop. Well, I just found another village.
No way.
Yeah, and it's like
this way, past the farm, right?
30 feet. Yeah. Dude,
Yeah.
what? This is insane. How? And there's pumpkin seeds. Yes, we needed these. They have a blacksmith. Or an armorer. My bad. He looks like a blacksmith. And they got a fire lit.
I don't know where this village is.
Just walk.
I'm walking.
It shouldn't be that far. Oh, hold on, I'll come back.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
Okay. Holy shit, I found an armor chest plate and armor leggings. Or an iron... Wait, wow. Iron chest plate, iron leggings, and 2 iron pickaxes. Just now. Just want to let everybody know. Ow. Ow, bushes hurt. We need to make fireplaces, dude. That's what our village is missing. This is what a village should look like. Dude, look how many fireplaces they have here. Look at the baby cat. That's the cutest thing I've seen in my whole life. Oh my gosh, he makes such a cute little sound.
Kind of waterlogged in here, my man. It's kind of cool.
What's going on? Oh, wow. Yeah, you okay down here, dude? Everything's
He's a
alright, man?
nitwit, and they put him in the basement.
No, wow. That's kind of sad. I feel bad for him. I can't get out. But I'm noticing that they have more fireplaces than us, and it's kind of making me sad. Ow, bushes hurt. Just know we get YouTube comments about it.
Neum find polar bear too.
What? Okay, I don't think we spawned in the same area that Eddie is.
No, we didn't.
With polar bears?
Find sheep.
Sheep and polar bears? God. I might move houses because I'm running out of space up here. Alright, cat. Follow me. Come on, Snowball. Actually, you could teleport, right? Yeah. Snowball. Snowball. Come on, Snowball. Snowball, get up here. Snowball.
It is getting dark out.
Snowball, can you come in the house, please? Snowball. I hear her.
Ah!
Oh, God. Oh, Will. Will, there's someone in my house.
Eddie, there's someone in our house.
He's got a stick.
Oh, dude.
Well, Eddie, what did you want to do in this new Minecraft
I
world?
don't know. What do you guys need?
I mean, right now we're just kind of villaging it up, you know? Wow.
Well, you're in part leather. Adam, what are you wearing right now?
A leather hat. Construction helmet, sorry.
Do you have any stone, William?
I have
stone?
some.
Adam
I
has
need-
some.
What I need are stone, torches, and a little bit of food.
What, are you going mining?
Yeah.
Food is hard to come by. Here,
Yeah.
just take this and this.
Torches, my friends?
I don't have any. Will,
Only
torches.
have 3.
Look, we're really ill-prepared here.
Do you have any stone at all, Wim? I have sticks. I just need to make an axe so I can cut down trees to get sticks. I'll find coal.
Sticks.
That's an axe, but okay.
Alright, Will, I'm transferring over homes. It was good living
Okay.
with you. Good lord, I cannot lift all of that. Don't go up there. Will, don't go up there. I hate you. Well, all my stuff's gone. Time to start over.
Did you want your things from your attic?
I mean, yeah. Trying to make some homey touches, make my house, you know, homey. I've always hated paintings and how you have to like.
The orientations of them.
Yeah, it's just like, just let me pick. Ah.
Oh, and don't let out Steve.
Yeah, don't
Don't know
let
who
Steve out.
is, so
Well, good.
you don't have to worry about that.
Alright. I'll take your word for it. I'm making glass.
Why are you making glass?
Because I need some. A drought like right here. You can sleep with pants on, you know.
Yeah, but it's not as comfortable.
Drown! He's literally just holding a shell. What are you gonna do with that? Well, put your cat away. He's just chilling out here. He's gonna get attacked or something.
Thank you, Village Restoration Team.
Village Restoration Team. They call me Eugene.
No one calls you that.
Eugene, what is up? I said, yo, yo, mother fluff.
Eugene, 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 Eugene.
You,
Hey, Eddie, if you find any granite, may I have it?
Yeah. I was literally just, I mean, I'm mining around it, but yeah.
That's what I do to
How much
granite.
granite do you need?
Not a lot. Actually, as much as you can carry.
Can I let Well, that's a huge difference, dude.
Oh boy,
Holy-
this is about to be official.
What?
About to break my first axe of the server.
Yeah, I know, Snowball. How do you make smooth
What?
smooth stone slabs?
You have to make smooth sandstone and then put it into slabs that way.
Sandstone
way to
or
do it-
smooth stone?
The best, no,
Words
smooth
are hard.
sandstone. Wait, you just doing regular slabs?
Yeah, like just stone
yeah,
slabs.
you need to smooth stone, and then I think you can either do it in crafting, or I think now you have to
do it in the cutty
stone
table
cutter.
thing. Yeah. Need to find a jungle.
What's up with you and finding jungle?
Because I love them. Sorry, I'm gonna be making a lot of ruckus for a little bit here. Village restoration. William.
Yes.
Your house is a bit, you know what? Nothing.
What?
No, it looks good. Just a little bit bigger.
Adam.
Yeah, hold on. Let me come over to your house real quick. Yeah, what's up, man? Something going on?
What's this?
Whoa. Well, I don't know. What? Did you make this?
No, I've been in my basement for 2 days.
That's pretty cool, dude. I don't know how you did that. It's even got a face and everything. This is how you've been getting rid of loneliness. Oh, and it moves. Wow, that's cool, dude. Yeah, I don't know how you did that. It's pretty sweet. All right, I gotta go. Now it's just you and me, baby. Oh yeah, love the way you get that trident and you hold it and and touch my cat. Yeah. Oh, hey, Will. Were you,
call.
Well, were you, what's up, man?
Let's just stop by to get some sugar.
Oh, sugar. Yep. Here you go. No, I got it. There it is.
It's not even sugar.
That's sugar. Oh, sorry. Here it is. There you go. No problem, buddy. Yeah, touch my cat again. That's the name of the video. Touch my cat again.